Okay, this is just a chuckle moment. This is Port of Lovere. This is Italy, and we have a light causing sundogs. This is very odd, for sure. I'm enjoying it, though. I'm going to keep this really short. Look at that, though. So, that's a heck of a light. Let me show you the rest of the place. We're in a marina. It's a beautiful night. It's not raining. It's just gorgeous. And you've got an unusual light. So, I'm center screen, and that means my connection's really bad since I'm on a dinosaur laptop. But check it out. I just wanted to share it with you. I got a chuckle when I saw it. So, I'll be seeing anyone who wants to join after 6 p.m. I gotta be in space at 6. See what they're up to. Alright, talk to you soon.